Here's a comparison of the installation steps required in case of an area with existing floor covering for the wet method and for a floor-on-floor installation with Nora nTx. Please note that this is an example. The actual installation steps and associated time and efforts always depend on on-site conditions and job size. If you want to install a new floor with the wet method, you will have to remove the old flooring first. With Nora nTx, by contrast, you don't have to remove old floor coverings when they are securely bonded to the subfloor, because you can install Nora nTx on existing flooring. Both methods require you to grind and vacuum clean the subfloor. After that, you apply the primer. With the wet method, you have to carefully prepare the subfloor with leveling compound, then grind or sand it and vacuum clean the area. You can skip the leveling compound in many cases with Nora nTx. Therefore, Nora nTx also eliminates the need for drying time of the leveling compound, which can take 1 day with the wet method. Nora nTx floor covering can be installed in half the time as a wet method installation with gluing. And there is no drying time of the adhesive, unlike with the wet method. Now you can clearly see how much time you can save by using Nora nTx.